Hello viewers, hope you are well. So now you are watching my broiler chicks, which is now 17 days, and they are near 250 grams. I I am going to tell you about these broiler chicks. I bought these chicks from a hatchery and I started to keeping them. I wanna ensure you about that these chickens are going up by organic feed which I give them. What type of foods I give them, now I'm going to tell you. That is, I am giving them only rice for whole day, nothing else. And there is one thing, I try to leave them in the field so that they can collect some foods like insects, some flowers, near grass, like this type of food they are searching right now. I leave them 2 times in a day, in the morning and the evening. I leave them for searching their food. Look at this. They are look like other breeds like bantam, silkies, like others. These broiler chicks are growing up slowly, because I told I only giving them rice, I mean organic food. That's why their growth is slow. Also, I never use any vaccine for them. Now their age is 17 days, and broiler chicks within 30 days is weight near 2 kgs, but my chicks weight right now 250 grams. Look at this, they are so cute and they are finding food in this field. I'm capturing you. So if you want to keeping broiler chickens in your backyard, you can do this. You do not need to any vaccine, any artificial food or something like that. You can easily keeping this broiler for meat. You can fulfill your family meat which is needed for a month. You can keeping 20 or 30 chicks, broiler chicks in your backyard beside your other breed chickens. Also you can keeping them in your backyard chicken cage. Also I have no chicken cage right now, that's why I am leaving them twice a time in a day. Look at this, they are so happy. They are so happy in this field, because look where they are, I don't know. They are every side, behind, in front, everywhere they are finding their foods. They are busy with finding foods. So actually I'm going to or making my motive to making this video is that if you want, you can keeping boiling chickens in your backyard. Look at this, just you have to keep on your eyes that where they finding their food or something, they are what type of food they are eating, like this. Look, they are eating right now soil, grasses, flowers. Look at this. Look at this one. What's she eating? Look. She eating soil. Look at closes. I'm going to show you. Look. She is eating soil. Okay. They maybe need this. I don't know what type of food is this, how much tasty is this soil for her, but she's enjoying. Look at her. What she find? Oh my god, look at this. This live food are very helpful for their body, as it's fill up their protein in their body. Look, everybody following has one who's have this insects. Look, this is pretty cool. Look at this. This is very cool. Look at all of my chicks. There is 20 chicks I bought from that hatchery. Now I have this 21 alive. No one is dead. Normally, if you bought 30, 40, like in that 40, you maybe lost one or two. It could be for your hatching rate or something else. It could be pestiboot. Like this type of disease could be kill chicks, so be careful for that type of disease. So viewers, I hope you enjoy this video, because I am keeping these chicks for my family as a needed meat for my family. That's why I'm keeping these broiler chicks. Okay, look, she's very cool. I'm enjoying this. Where she'll go. Look at this. It's so pretty. What's she finding? Nothing she found. That's why she live in this place. Look, here is 20 chickens. I am always giving them like 3 or 4 hours behind them. There is my old chick. Look, there is one hen coming. She's also trying to find food. Maybe still chicks food, because she has also chicks. Look at there. She has only 5 chicks right now, and here is all of my broiler chicks. Okay, so no more today. Talk to you later with another new video. So till then, bye bye.